Hey there everybody, Lisa Ziegler here, coming to you from the Gardener's Workshop. We have had so many questions about the wreath that is been seen on Facebook that we thought we'd show you how to make it today. The wreath is made out of these beautiful green seed pods, which are really Gomphocarpus, physocarpus is the botanical name, but the name in the floral trade is hairy balls. And these are actually the seed pod to the plants. And this is one of the top cut flowers that we sell in the fall for many years. So I'm going to show you how we make the wreath, and I will tell you, I am no wreath maker. I'm a total novice at doing this. It's really simple. We're so fortunate to have someone that works here, Bobo, that is a flower arranger that helped us with this. So I'm going to show you these little bundles that she has made. What she's done is taken one of these stems and just cut a short stem below the balls and grouped 3 to 5 balls together, and she mixed up, I want to show you, she's tried to mix up the sizes so that there's a nice variation, right? So I have a whole pile of these little bundles down here all ready to go, and we make the form for the wreath. These are actually curly willow wisps, and they're very pliable, and you could certainly use a grapevine wreath or anything you can get into this shape, and I'll show you. So this is the curly willow stems that are stripped, and she just starts off. Of course, it looks like I've already cracked this one. And you just start building on it and wrapping it around on itself. She's told me that she actually does not wire this. This is just secured by wrapping it around, and you just keep adding. She said that there was 9 stems in this wreath, and this is about 9 inches across, and that's kind of a good size because it takes a lot of the little hairy balls to cover this. So the other thing you're going to need is some paddle wire, but most importantly, of course, you need to grow the hairy balls. So you can check out our website to get seeds to grow yours for next year.